Namaste. Every pilgrim begins with a prayer, and every journey begins with a step of faith. Starting your spiritual journey from Tirupati, whether you are traveling to a nearby temple or planning to a long distance pilgrimage anywhere in India, take the wheel, take your family, take the blessings from Tirupati. Self drive cars in Tirupati. From Tirupati to Tirumala, from Tirupati to Srikalahasti, Tirupati to Kanipakam, Tirupati to Arnachalam, Tirupati to Rameswaram, Tirupati to Shirdi, Tirupati to Varanasi, Tirupati to Ayodhya, Tirupati to Rameshwaram, Tirupati to Madurai, anywhere in our India. Wherever your faith takes you, travel your way. Clean and well maintained cars, comfortable family travel, flexible rental options, easy bookings, transparent pricing. No driver waiting, no fixed itinerary, just you, your loved ones, your loved family, and the road to the divine. Take the keys, start the journey, seek the blessings, create divine memories. Drive responsibly. All traffic rules must be followed. Any challan, traffic fine, parking penalty, toll penalty, or other violation incurred during the customer's rental period will be payable by the customer. Govinda, Govinda, Govinda. For bookings and enquiries from Tirupati, WhatsApp us on 8897633354. Sri Manjula Tours and Travels, your car, your drive, your divine journey. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.